Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how can you make your own polishing machine. So let's start the video. We need a sponge and a lid like this, a soldering iron, a glue gun and a drill machine. We'll make a hole in this lid with the help of this soldering iron. We have to do it in the middle. Insert a screw in it like this. And tighten it with the nut. Properly tighten this nut with the screw. So that it won't move. So now this is tight enough. So now we'll add some glue on this. And gently we'll put this sponge on it. We'll press this so that it won't move. So now it's all good. So now we'll place this in the drill machine and tighten it. So now you are ready to go. So now you can use this polishing machine for polishing your cars and bikes.
So hope you guys like the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.